Ruby Hall, Jangir, and many others. This year, we have selected a government hospital from Pune district for this award. I am pleased to announce the award of Outstanding Hospital, which is being conferred to District Hospital, Pune. The hospital is managed by the Government of Maharashtra. The hospital is located in Aund. Very few people know about this hospital. I have personally visited this hospital with my team, and what we observed was the doctors, the technicians, the staff are all committed, and committed to their responsibilities, very courteous and selfless. They work without fear, especially in the COVID isolation wards. And there was a lot of enthusiasm with them when they took us around to show us the hospital. It was a great feeling. We never expected that we would get this such type of a VIP treatment from a government hospital. Normally, for a government hospital, we say, oh, government hospital, we always, it's back of our mind, the facilities are bad, but it's not so. It's not so. You won't believe it that their drug distribution system is just fabulous, totally system integrated. By a click of a button, they get the data of stock levels of drugs, medical equipments at the various sub-districts hospitals, health centers in and around Pune district, like Daund, Bor, Indapur, Manchar, Baramati, just to name a few. What a government hospital this was. During the second pandemic, the second wave of the pandemic, this was the only government hospital which did not face any shortage for oxygen. The oxygen supply was uninterrupted. They have put up one more setup of their oxygen plant, which just took them 45 days with the able help of the Maharashtra government. That's a great achievement for them. The hygiene standards that they have maintained in this hospital are amazing, at par with any private hospital. Any private hospital. I was amazed when I seen this. They have a very special ward known as DEIC. This is known as District Early Intervention Center. Here, children up to the age of 8, if you are a parent and you find that your child has got some sort of a physical disability or not responding to your call, or there's no conversation happening, you can bring your child to this hospital, and there are doctors who treat these children very specially, and they also train the parents. So this training is for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Every alternate day, they're supposed to come to the hospital. They train the children. Even if the children have got fear, they teach them how to get out of fear. And the parents also have been taught, so when they go home, the parents can practice this with them. This was something amazing my team and I seen at this hospital. They are equipped to do all types of operations. They have also done knee replacement surgeries. They have conducted in the last 6 months 2,800 dialysis. And if you see the dialysis ward, they've got 8 dialysis units, spotlessly clean. 6,000 cataract surgeries. All you need here is an Aadhaar card. Basically, this hospital is for the below poverty line people of our country. But even if a normal patient visits the hospital, they are given entry over there. They have to pay a nominal fee. They have now equipped and ready for the third wave with the state-of-the-art facilities for children. They have a children's ward to meet the challenges which will come up in the third wave. I request our Honorary Secretary, I think he's gone to have a glass of water, Mr. Prasad Rao, to come on stage to present the awards. Prasad, please come. I invite Dr. Suchitra Kedkar and Dr. Sharimla Gaikwad, representing the hospital, to come forward and accept this award. Welcome, madam. Yeah, I would request both the doctors to share a few words.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to thank IMMM for this honor and the award on behalf of the District Hospital Aund and the Civil Surgeon, Dr. Nanda Purkar, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Suchitra and Dr. You're saying something? Please, sorry, I'm sorry.
We are very thankful to IIM for this award. It's an acknowledgement for the work which doctors are doing continuously at civil hospital and mostly in this COVID pandemic. So this is a recognition for our hospital. So thank you very much on behalf of civil hospital and our honorary civil surgeon, sir, Dr. Nanda Purkar, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Suchitra.